We're back, and I was going to surprise us all and show you who's back, but he's back. Where is he? Oh, there you are. He's back, huh?
Just keep the camera down this way now again.
Yes.
We're back to this shite.
We're back to this because we don't want to show up there. Woo! No, we definitely want to show up there. But tune into the next video because we're definitely going to be showing what's going on up there.
Yeah.
But as
better be.
What?
We better be anyway.
That's right. David.
Darren.
Another stupid idea.
I did. Yeah, this is up there. One of the stupider
I think
ones.
this is going to be pretty cool. Dave, would you like to do the honours and open this? So this is my project for this week. Oh, don't show the picture. It has to be a surprise, David. This is my project for the week, right? Okay. And do you know when I get a stupid idea in my head? I do stupid things. So this.
Most of the people probably know that already.
I am going to make a table. I'm making a car related table, okay?
Yeah.
So
How do you do?
This is probably one of the main pieces of the table. I have to order glass. I have a few other bits. We go through the process as we're building it, so people can get ideas. Okay. Now, before you don't go, just go.
Anyone guesses what it is? No way, you're not asking that because it's going to be.
Hey, there's a hint there. There's a hint there. Look at it.
Yeah.
Right there. There's a hint right there. Yeah. Oh, look at someone double boxed her. Man, Chris. David, you open it up and down. Now, David, what have you got in your hand? What have you got in your hand? Talk about
Something stupid.
Jeez, that big, aren't he?
You know, you think you would have ordered a smaller one though, then?
Oh my god. Oh my god. We are making a table, huh?
Like, I say any normal person, like, John, I'll pick one of the ones, like, not a custom Forge one, like.
Do you know that? We're just there. I'm not regretting my decision, but when I look at that wheel there and go, that would have done the job, and it's here.
And yeah, they're literally already there, yeah.
But see, so these are matching wheels off my Jeep. Oh my god, Dave, that looks so good. Do you know, I haven't seen my wheels that clean since I bought them on my Jeep. That's the problem.
Well, that's Sean's fault, then.
Yeah, just have to get on Sean. Savage. Anyway, so I think I want to make. I'm going to order a glass top for it. Probably comes out about 100ml all the way around. Okay. Yeah. Phase 2, David. Yeah. I have old brake calipers. Not brake calipers. I've old discs. And I have to get a brake caliper. I have to get a big, huge brake caliper.
Scrap yard and get one of the Q7 ones.
Or else, David, I go and buy the ones that you used to always have in your car when you were a kid.
Which one? Oh, the Brembo brake covers?
Yeah, the brake covers.
It wouldn't be the same.
It wouldn't be the same. It's an even table.
And I'm pretty sure it was you that had them in your car.
I used to love them, yeah. But this is today's project. Okay, so David, don't know. We have a few little bits and pieces to do. But, yeah, will you give me a hand?
No.
Okay.
I have to fix stuff.
So, next clip, you're going to see David starting to make the table. So it's all go. We're flat it we are. Alright, it's all go. Yeah?
Flat to the mat.
Flat it. My phone's beeping, your phone's beeping, you're on your phone. David,
I'm texting you on your phone.
Send you a picture there. Okay, great. Actually, we're trying to get a picture for a thumbnail for our last video. But anyway, because I wasted money like a tick there recently, okay, on new discs, yeah, which I didn't really need to do. I think.
Probably not, no.
Probably not. At least I have a disc in it now. So now I have to get a caliper. Yeah, hey. I need to find somewhere to get one of the plasmas. But David, I have something in my Jeep that's going to finish it. Not finish it, but I'll do it. Right?
What is that?
I'm going to fly out and get it now, and we're going to plop it onto it and see what happens. Okay?
Right.
Yeah, tick bollocks.
Nothing is staged around here.
We'll get that on, see what
I wouldn't mind. I walk out there and the lads are getting in the van. I'm like, why is he walking back out with the glass? It's just on the table.
Bosh. That is some job now. Well, David, that's the end of the video. Right, a few more bits happening. Oh my god! We need to go back to our clips.
Oh jeez.
To make sure we didn't get that in the video.
No, I don't think we did.
Don't think so.
This is
a joke anyway. Anyway, let's go and get we need to go and get a picture of a thumbnail for our video, yeah?
Yeah.
For that video. Anyway, with more stuff, more exciting stuff happening this video, right? We're not sure what it is yet, but we'll figure it out, okay?
Really exciting though. Right, update on the wheel because Darren, we came in today, Saturday morning here, and he's like, yeah, will you just do this? You know, so it's just, I'm taking it into my own hands. So we're doing a few modifications to it. You might have seen in one of our last videos we dimpled all his other new discs. So I'm going to bring this around. I'm going to dimple it. We're on a Barney Common Engineering, the #1 place in North County Dublin for dimpling discs. That's actually a lie because we only do it to our own cars, so don't even bother contacting us about it. So yeah, I'm going around, going to dimple the disc, going to make a plate for the bottom of it. He wants it floating now as well, so I don't know. I was trying to tell him to put a brake disc on the bottom because it'd be cool looking, but he wants this thing floating in the middle of his shed or house, wherever he's. I don't even know where he's even putting it. So yeah, that's the plan for today anyway. Darren.
What are you up to, David? Oh, that could be fucking. That could be very dangerous. That could.
Would be, but it's not. I'm a trained professional.
So you're making.
I forgot to bring my CNC machine with me this morning.
Okay.
So I can't make a circle plate.
So you're making a circle plate
Yeah.
out of a square,
Yeah.
and you're using that gadget.
Yeah, this is a little machine.
So you put your finger in there, it'll be fairly soft.
I imagine you probably wouldn't have a finger when you took it out.
What ton is that?
I think it presses like 6 ton or something like that.
Jesus.
So yeah, so the plan is,
Right.
I was going to just put a plate, you know what I mean, like that.
Yeah.
We'd have to get long bolts, so I said no. I'm going to make a circle plate to go in here. I'm going to drill out these holes.
Okay.
That's the rough deal. She's all dimpled, because you know, you need the dimples.
Oh, you have her dimpled already?
Yeah.
Jesus, you're on fire here.
Because I said, if you don't dimple it, then imagine, how do you stop the coffee table?
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Imagine us having a party down in the garage some night and the top coffee table is flying around the place. How do you stop it?
So yeah, basically we're just going to
So
take a circle.
just the top plate goes underneath that.
That'll be underneath that, yeah, and then we weld the bar off that.
Right.
And then a big plate, because it has to be floating. You know, so, yeah, that's kind of...
Here, give us a look and see, show me how you're chopping steel here now. This is
There's a bit of power in it.
Jeez, well, what thickness is that steel?
6 mil.
What's your finger there now?
Finger. Yeah, right. Fingers will survive.
What can that crush like? So what's up the thickness?
I don't know. We'd be on 10 mil now.
He doesn't know, huh?
I'm only an apprentice.
Hey, that's enough for you, enough for you putting a square into a circle. There's a plate for here, Dave, isn't it?
Yeah, that's going to be base plate.
A bloody plate, the whole of a bloody a steel building, hey, huh? Why you want to go down now?
With the regular weld made around me, because it's getting very hot.
Oh yeah, why the time to get that?
Yeah.
These are best blood down here.
If we have any drone sponsors out there, give us a shout.
This is very technical now, David, isn't it? Yeah. This is like, I don't know. You're up to turn the square old plate into something magnificent.
I wouldn't say magnificent now.
Well, I think it's. I can't say we're never going to be able to see this part.
You know, you put the wheel the other way around.
Yeah. I leave you for 6 hours and I come back and you're back on. Leave for 10 minutes, Dave. She's looking well.
She's all square and all now, which is going to be just. Will it be square? You might have to put an alpaca or two underneath. It'll depend on your floor.
If I'm having a cup of tea, Rob, on this table, okay, and I can see the top of my tea is at an angle like that, okay, right, in the cup, we might have an issue there.
Well, I'm gonna put it down to the builder who laid the floor. Oh, that was you actually.
Oh yeah. John will do. Just get a few beer mats, be grand.
Exactly.
No, she's looking well there. I'm actually didn't realise today was going to be as exciting as it is, but I hope it's exciting for the people watching.
They probably don't care.
They probably turned off by now.
But look, it's content.
Yeah.
You know, we're content creators here.
We'll throw something in the car in there now shortly.
Great news.
Great job. Just got this sent to me.
Right.
So, need someone to go and get it out. Q7. What are they, 6 pods?
Yeah, 6. The big Brembo 18 Z's there.
Yeah. And then we thought there a minute ago, we're going to have to raid the old the beetle box, yeah? Don't worry, here's the bug. We haven't forgot about her.
Still there.
So then we have these little handbrake calipers that we're going to put on her.
They're actually not handbrake calipers, they're Porsche 911 calipers.
Oh, they are, aren't they?
For the front of this.
So Porsche 11 caliper, we're just going to temporarily take it out, yeah? Okay?
So we had to modify a few bits to make it fit though.
Yeah. But she's still there. So she is. I'm emptying the shop table from Mondello 2 months ago. If you'd like to give me a hand for a minute, eh?
We were busy.
We're flat out making shit that we don't need. You're doing a good job there, Craig, is he?
Craig was supervisor.
Very therapeutic it is, eh? Huh?
Let's see on that tape.
Dave, don't just run out of tape now.
Looks like
Don't get caught in that either, yeah? This is going a bit overboard now, isn't it? Are we going to do that? Are we going to do that piece silver or black?
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
No, we see.
Why do you say silver, but then the texture and all it looks shit in silver?
And then he's going to see all these little lads here, yeah, I think, Craig, yeah? He's going to give them a little bit of afterwards.
Nice.
Johnny.
So we're all around here. Waste loads of money on stupid shit.
You do, Dave, that's for sure, huh?
Come here, you're the fucking... You're the one who needs this fucking car taken off.
Fucking we cars taking on me. Hey.
Going to buy calipers for it. And then also going to buy brand new pins and clips and all for it. And new brake pads and all.
Here,
For
what?
a table.
Like, this could be our new venture, David. What'll she be worth?
I'd say way less than what it costs anyway.
Well, we're not even going to add this one up, okay, right?
No, I'm going to.
We'll wait till the end of the video, please.
I'm going to do a full breakdown video of how much money this costs.
See if we get our money back, huh? I hope people didn't hear that word you just used there now, huh?
Oh,
You called Richard something bad. Anyway.
call me a tick runt. Yeah.
Anyway, it's this time in the video. Go straight into a montage. Well, who's trying to force up? Maybe you trying to force
You.
up. Huh?
You are.
No.
You can nearly smell the diabetes coming out of it. I'm alright.
I'm trying.
No, I'm good. Don't put it down there. You'll dirty the glass.
We know coasters, no? Hey, that's actually not too bad. Hey.
I already gave you an idea for the coasters.
Well, what? Oh, yeah, the picture.
Picture, yeah.
Picture of what?
Anyway, that was.
When the wheels finish.
It's not the best.
Take it. Did you have the grinder? I did have the grinder. I brought. There it is. There.
He's not on the ground anymore, hey. Huh?
I found a man.
Dave, 3 hours ago, hey. A young man, or an old man, or a funny looking man, from where?
Curra.
Cora. Never seen him in his life. Got back to me and says he has the brake caliper, yeah? Boom! And we bought her, didn't we, hey?
Hey, you bought two of them.
Well, we bought it. We have a spare one. Here, whoa. This is the left one, yeah? Should we put... Does it make a difference?
Does it make?
Just the way you're looking at it.
Well, you can put that one on like that, right? Or else you could probably put it on like that.
No, but you know what I mean? The spokes going, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, you just spun them around?
Because you're not bolting onto a hole.
No, but see the way like this is the bottom.
Yeah.
And that's the top.
If you put that on the right hand side of it,
Yeah.
that's the bottom. But if you put it on the left hand side of it, that's the top.
Where did we get this? Where did we get David? He's so clever, isn't he? Huh?
Technical now.
Oh, anyway, I'm just short clips because people are. There's probably about 5 people still watching this video. Okay?
Better also be watching.
One-
And if you're not subscribed, go on and subscribe, please.
All we want is one person to still be at the end of this video. And yeah.
Just to say, good job, lads.
Yeah.
Actually, another thing as well. Sorry, go on.
No, go on, you go. This is more
No, I was
important.
just going to say, anyone that's watching as well, click the notification button, put the notifications on, because none of you are doing that.
Yeah.
I've been watching. I've been watching the analytics of it all.
We're going to do a code word. I just thought this right now, eh? We're going to do a code word, right? So the very last word of this episode, David, is it an episode? Sometimes David has an old episode, doesn't he? Huh?
I wouldn't just back holidays now.
But this episode, okay? The very last word of this episode, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Write it in the comments.
The very last word we said.
Yeah, you probably get one person on, and he's the only one person or she stayed to watch us to the very end.
Alright, so everyone else are just like, why would we do that? What's the surprise?
Yeah, stupid. Anyway, there's 2 minutes of talking. Pure nuts are full. listening to this video. And she is now, come here. It's 3 minutes past 3. David's officially on overtime, and you can see by the speed of him, he doesn't want to be here.
Yeah, now in fairness, I actually did want to wash the caliper down and all and have her like nice and all the dirt taken off and all, but our Darren didn't want that.
No, a little bit of extra action, but I think we get that out of it.
What?
A little bit of reaction, but
I was just goes on it.
well, yeah, we're getting there. Name,
Hi, I'm David.
sexuality,
Male.
remove your socks. I didn't park those cars there just like that for the crack, just so Stroms are everywhere, yeah?
Oh Jesus,
But it worked out well there, yeah? They were watching the Jimmy Dean, huh?
Jimmy D, making history.
Our end result is in, okay?
It is.
And I'm going to reveal it right here, right now. Look at that, huh?
What do the people think?
Look at that. Well, I'm very happy with our choice of green.
Yeah, no, that was a good shout, I think.
Craig's green, because we were going yellow, and then the can wasn't great, was it?
We had 2 cans. One can was different than the other.
Yeah.
So we couldn't finish off the top coat with the other coat.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway.
But anyway, I think that's a wrap there. Don't forget about the word.
Oh yeah, the word.
Do we know the word?
Yeah, no, I think we know it, yeah.
Right, okay, right.
Who was going to say it?
Yeah, I think you say it.
Right, well anyway, like usual, anyone who's watching the video, my hands out again, Jesus Christ. Anyone that's watching, subscribe. Or else nothing. And like and share. And hit the notification button as well. Schlong.